my opinion, it agrees with everybody else, but adding audio files is Bluetooth sucks. This has Bluetooth on it. Oh my god, it's awful. It's just compressed. The signal is compressed. It just sounds awful. So I do not like Bluetooth. I don't think Bluetooth is the future. It's all been compressed signal. It sounds awful. It's not as clear as the headphone jack. So I might just get rid of the receiver. Just get one. If next phone I get don't have a headphone jack, I'm just getting rid of it and just go for a flip phone. I don't think Bluetooth is the future. Plus, you can't use a FM radio on your phone. That's another thing. So that's why Bluetooth is not the future. It sucks. It's terrible. Okay, sometimes the Bluetooth will start to fail. I had wireless headphones that started to fail. I had a couple of phones that the Bluetooth has failed. The Bluetooth chip has failed. They'll start soldering and cutting in and out. Headphone jack for life. Fuck Bluetooth. Fuck Bluetooth.